Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Meta recently enhanced its security features by introducing end-to-end encryption for Messenger chats. While this added layer of protection benefits many users, some individuals prefer to have more control over their data and wish to disable this feature. In this video, I will clarify whether it's possible to turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger and provide a clear explanation of the process. Let's go. Unfortunately, disabling end-to-end encryption on Messenger isn't an option. Meta has integrated this security measure as part of an update, automatically activating it for all users with the latest app version. End-to-end encryption safeguards your conversations by restricting access solely to you and the recipient. If you're encountering missing chats when switching devices, ensure secure storage is enabled. To check, tap the three-line menu in the upper left corner and click the gear icon. Navigate to Privacy and Safety. Open end-to-end encrypted chats and go to Message Storage. If necessary, follow the on-screen prompts to enable it. This feature securely stores your encrypted messages, allowing full message history recovery upon logging into Messenger from a new device using your chosen security method. You can also customize chat syncing options, such as storing the key in iCloud Drive for iOS, Google account for Android, or using a PIN or 40-character code. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or other problems with your Apple device, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.